Can you get her feet?
Yeah. What is she doing?
On the walk. Holding on to my arm. Drooling all over my arm too. Good job. There's the nibble line. Uh-oh. I'll call the rest away. You gonna stand up?
This is like a little decathlon of what she can do. Okay.
Nice, good job. Nice.
She's not standing up yet, dude.
Yeah, but she had to get your balance.
No.
She's resting before the final push. There you go.
Well done. Well spoken. Wow, that was very well done, all of it.
It's too bad there's not like a cushion in here. Ready for the face plant?
Okay.